Have you ever pondered the intricacies of investing in cryptocurrency? In the ever-evolving realm of finance, cryptocurrencies have carved out their niche, presenting a unique and tantalizing opportunity for investors. Unlike conventional investments like stocks or bonds, cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized blockchain technology, promising potentially high yields. Welcome to the fascinating world of cryptocurrency investment. First, let's demystify what cryptocurrency is. It's a digital or virtual form of currency, underpinned by cryptography which ensures its security. This isn't your typical currency. There's no central authority, such as a government or bank, pulling the strings. It's this decentralized nature that makes cryptocurrencies a magnet for investors. There's an ocean of cryptocurrencies out there, with Bitcoin and Ethereum being the most recognizable. Acquainting yourself with the various types of cryptocurrencies and their functions is a crucial step in your investment journey. Now, let's move on to the nitty-gritty of investing in cryptocurrency. It all begins with picking the right exchange platform. Opt for an exchange with a solid security history and a broad spectrum of supported cryptocurrencies. Next, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet. There's a range of options, from software and hardware to paper wallets. For those just dipping their toes in, a software wallet is a user-friendly choice. Most exchanges necessitate a Know Your Customer or KYC verification process. This involves handing over personal information and identity documents. It's a vital step in securing your investments. Once your exchange account is all set up, it's time to plunge into your first investment. But hold on, before you dive in, you need to establish your investment goals and risk tolerance. Hodling, or long-term holding, and day trading are common strategies you might consider. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments across different cryptocurrencies can help mitigate risk and maximize potential returns. Security is paramount in the cryptocurrency world. Bolster your exchange and wallet accounts with two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of security. And remember, the crypto space can be a hotbed for scams. Always remain vigilant and never share your private keys. In this volatile and constantly shifting market, staying informed is key. Keep your finger on the pulse of market trends and news. Do your homework and conduct thorough research and analysis before making any investment decisions. And finally, always have a clear risk management strategy in place. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Investing in cryptocurrency may be a lucrative venture, but it's not without its risks. By following these steps and staying informed, you can make educated investment decisions and potentially reap the benefits of the thrilling world of cryptocurrencies.